Power, electrical power, is life. It's the enabler of opportunities, the sustainer of ideas, the leveler of the playing field, the conductor of innovation, the distributor of knowledge, the evolutionary, the revolutionary, the enlightening. Power is the birther of modern civilization. It energizes hope, ambition, and progress. For you, for the country, for 8.1 billion human beings on Earth. The thirst for power is insatiable because power is everywhere. It's in everything we do, everything we need, everything we want. Everything we will ever achieve will be empowered by power, electrical power. And no one understands power like we do. We generate, innovate, distribute, maintain, purpose and repurpose the entire ecosystem of power. Pioneers for over 40 years. So, as the world switches on a new era of renewable, clean, sustainable power, we are in the front line, transforming the landscapes of tomorrow into fields of power fertility. Because if power is life, then we are its lifeline. LTL Holdings.